PulseX stands out as one of the next-generation decentralized exchanges DEX that has been drawing the attention of crypto investors. Built on the PulseChain network, the platform allows users to easily swap tokens, while also offering a reward mechanism that makes participation more attractive. This means users are not only able to trade, but can also earn passive income by providing liquidity, which is considered one of the key ways to maintain sustainable liquidity within the DeFi ecosystem. One of the main features that differentiates PulseX is its cross-chain bridges, enabling assets from various blockchain networks to be traded. This allows users to experience a wider trading environment without being tied to a single chain. With its user-friendly interface, fast transaction processing, and yield farming opportunities, the platform creates a convenient space for both beginners and experienced traders. On the security side, PulseX adopts a strong framework that includes encrypted data, regular audits, restricted access controls, and hardware wallet integration to protect users' assets. Of course, due to the very nature of the crypto market, a completely risk-free environment does not exist. But these measures make the platform more reliable. A major goal of PulseX is to attract ERC20 token holders to its ecosystem and direct them toward PRC20 assets on PulseChain. This not only aims to boost the value of the new chain, but also to strengthen liquidity. Such an approach is seen as an important step toward building a more integrated and sustainable structure within the crypto market. Although there haven't been any major milestone announcements for PulseX yet, this could be due to the platform being relatively new. However, given the rapid growth of the DeFi space, it is highly likely that we'll hear more about PulseX in the near future. For investors, the most crucial point is to follow official updates closely and always keep in mind the inherent risks of the crypto market. With its appealing features, strong security practices, and innovative vision, PulseX is well positioned to become one of the projects that will gain much more recognition in the crypto ecosystem going forward.